Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix user experience issues with Mailchimp, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific user experience issues you want to address in Mailchimp. Log into your Mailchimp account to access the dashboard. Check for issues like duplicates or outdated contact information. Next, review your email templates for design consistency. Ensure that your branding, colors, and fonts are aligned with your overall marketing strategy. Analyze your campaign performance statistics in the Campaigns tab. Look for patterns in open rates and click-through rates to identify ineffective elements. Test your email on different devices and email clients to ensure compatibility. Consider segmenting your audience for more targeted campaigns. Create tailored content that resonates specifically with different segments. If you encounter deliverability issues, check your sender authentication settings. Set up DKIM and SPF records to enhance your email deliverability. Review your automation workflows for anything that may cause confusion. Adjust the triggers and sequences to ensure smooth user interactions. Revisit your forms and landing pages to enhance usability. Test for ease of use, ensuring forms are simple and straightforward. Gather feedback from users on their experience with your emails. Consider running surveys or polls to get direct input. Finally, stay updated on Mailchimp's features and best practices. Regularly check the Mailchimp blog or community forums for insights and tips. Implement changes gradually and monitor the results to see improvements. Continue refining your processes based on ongoing analysis and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.